No, many people here. This one, 11, gate 11. Very close.
Wow! The airplane is so pretty. Is it? Right.
Thank you so much for Flight Exchange Express. We can wait to see you again soon.
Georgi, welcome to Hong Kong. Today not so many people. Time now 1:40. We need to buy for Georgi octopus card. This one. And I will add money to our card. This is Airport Express, but we going to metro. We take bus to Tung Chung, and from Tung Chung going to Tsim Sha Tsui. Oh, you have new card? Show me your octopus card. Because I have this one. You have another? Now new design, new style octopus. Okay. Good weather today. Bus terminal in Bangkok. This is our bus to Tung Chung station. Station. We will take metro. I'm going to Tsim Sha Tsui. Tsim Sha Tsui. Cable car to Lantau Island. Georgi, do you want to go to Big Buddha? Don't want Buddha, okay. Night time always police have checkpoint in this road. Sunday today, so many people. Okay, let's go. Georgi, let's go. Tired? Are you tired? No? Oh, really many people. If you want it, we can go to City Gate outlet. Have food court in second floor. Do you want?
No, not now.
Okay, let's go to hotel. Yes, same. Put. You can see your balance.
It show before, not after.
No, you can see balance now. When you leave, you can see how much because we don't.
Okay.
We don't know.
They did not charge now, but
No.
later.
Only if I already in exit. Georgi, first time metro in Gongkong. Georgi time.
Please stand back from the train doors.
Our station Tsim Sha Tsui, center of Hong Kong.
Stand back from the platform doors.
$18.7. Going straight. Yeah. Nathan Road. Holiday Inn.
你欺我呀！还说这是我们的手，然后你的手。   。  。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。
18.7 $.
这你欺我呀！还说这是我们的手，然后你的手。
$18.7.
然后你的手。
Holiday Inn. Georgi, where you want it? McDonald's? You can try McDonald's in Hong Kong. Chinese restaurant. Menu. You can see menu. Yes, this is menu. See. We order the same. This is duck. Georgi already eat. Georgi, what you think? Good foods in Hong Kong? This is Guangdong food. Hot water. Okay, we will eat now. Georgi already start rain. Okay. Okay, good weather. Don't have rain. Don't have rain, we can walk. Heavy rain right now. Georgi already ordered cake. How much you pay?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
Free. I remember last time one manager said to you free. You know what free? It's not free. But Rain stopped already and we going outside.
Download the app, Standard free to you. 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 Download the app, Standard free to you.
Look like Filipino here. I think. Because now Sunday, many Philippine people outside. You know. They sit outside.
Ay, Maria Jose. Ginoo ko.
Ay, maitim na.
You won't come back to the Philippines? Why not?